Hello, today I am going to derive the first trigonometric formula, that is cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. It's a geometrical proof actually. We already learned the polar coordinates. Consider a unit circle. Unit circle means the radius should be 1. Consider a unit circle and take an angle A from the origin and angle B from the origin, and A minus B should be somewhere in between A and B, and we know that A minus B is, we can find out from the figure A minus B. So there are two A minus B there, A minus B angle there. So I am going to take P, Q, R and S. Let P is the polar coordinate and P is not cos A minus B, cos A sin A. Cos A, P is cos A sin A. Comma sin A. And polar coordinate of R is cos A minus B sin A minus B. And polar coordinate of Q is cos B sin B. And the Cartesian coordinate of S is 1, 0. Okay, so there are two sectors we get, that is OP, Q and ORS. There are two sectors, and the chord PQ is equal to chord RS, because the interior angle should be A minus B. Because of A minus B, the both chords are equal because the radius is unit. Chord PQ is equal to chord RS. I gave two different colors, that is PQ is red one and RS is green one. That is, you can understand from the figure. PQ by distance formula. What is distance formula? X2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, square root of. Here x is cos A minus cos B the whole square plus sin A minus sin B the whole square. Equals RS. Cos A minus B minus 1 whole square plus square root of, plus 1 minus 0 or 0 minus 1, both are same. 1 minus 0 because there is a square. Yeah, 1 minus sin A minus B the whole square, that is sin square A minus B. See, what is cos A minus cos B? Cos square A plus sin square, cos square A plus cos square B plus minus 2 cos A cos B. plus sine square A plus sine square B minus 2 sine A sine B. Then the right hand side, cos square A minus B plus 1 minus 2 cos A minus B plus sine square A minus B. Okay, now what is cos square A plus sine square A? 1 plus cos square B plus sine square B is also equal to 1. Then minus 2 we are going to take out common factor on the from LHS left hand side, that is minus 2 into cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Then what is cos square A minus B plus sin square A minus B? 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos A minus B. See, 1 plus 1 we can cancel. Minus 2 we can cancel it. So cos A minus B, final result, cos A minus B equals cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is the answer. Thank you for watching.